Hello. Welcome to Part 11 of the Provider Flex, Enrollment Powered by Gainwell series. This video will cover reviewing the application before submission on Provider Flex, Gainwell Powered Provider Enrollment. The last section we'll look at is the summary section. In this section, you are provided with a look at the entire application in one convenient page. Be sure to double-check your entries, especially where a series of numbers are entered. Although the summary section is the last section, it can be reviewed at any point during the application entry. In turn, while you're on the summary section, you can select any other section you'd like to go back to, so it can be updated. The summary page includes all the sections of the application in the same order as they appear in the left pane. Just like you were able to throughout the application completion, you can click on any section to go back and edit it. Another way is look for the headers that are bold in the summary. You will see a faint gray line under the title. There will also be a Go to Section button on the right side. Let's look at how to quickly locate and resolve any errors found. Click the Errors tab. A fast and easy way to resolve possible entry errors that have been found is by clicking on the Errors tab. Notice the number of errors found is indicated by the number shown in red. The first error is in the Addresses section. The provider failed to enter the required service address. By clicking on the Go to button next to the error, you'll be taken to the page to make the correction before doing a full review of the application. Errors 2 and 3 would be resolved using the same process. Although you've resolved any errors found, you still need to be careful and double-check your entries to ensure they are correct. Another way of double-checking all your entries to ensure they are correct is to click Summary to return to that section. You can find out if there are any files or uploads missing from the application at the end of the summary. It's under the heading Missing Files. For example, it could be that a copy of the license was not uploaded. You will need to go back into the application and add the missing file or files. It may be that you need to get a copy of a file later and add it. If that's the case, you can click the Save and Finish Later button in the lower right-hand corner. In the example we just looked at, there were errors to be resolved and the provider needed to get more information. In this example, there are no errors or missing files, so we can continue with the application. However, if you do need to wait to finish it for any reason, the Save and Finish Later button is accessible. Otherwise, you're ready to proceed by selecting the e-Sign button. This concludes Part 11 of the Provider Flex Enrollment Tool video series. Should you require further assistance, please contact Gainwell Technologies, the fiscal agent for Nevada Medicaid, by phone or email. The contact center may be reached at 1-877-638-3472. Emailing Nevada Provider Training at gainwelltechnologies.com will connect you with the field service team. Please include your NPI and other pertinent information to be routed to the appropriate representative. Further information related to Nevada Medicaid can be found on the website at medicaid.nv.gov. For information specific to enrollment, please visit the enrollment subpage of the Nevada Medicaid website. Direct links can be found in the description of this video. This video was produced by Gainwell Technologies on behalf of Nevada Medicaid. Thank you for watching.